Holy freaking moly, y'all. We're friggin' buried in snow. We got just compiled with like 2 feet of snow, maybe more if you guys can tell. My front yard is stinking buried. And today we're going on a little Arctic ice fishing mission. I wanted to do some fishing, and it's cold enough, guys. I think it's cold enough to finally get out and legitimately ice fish. Ice still might be a little bit sketchy, but we're gonna shoot for it. We're gonna be fishing with a subscriber today. I've fished with this guy before. His name is Jacob. You guys might remember him from one of the past videos. We're gonna do some ice fishing for some trout today, I think. So hopefully today we just slam some fish. It's really freaking cold. It's like gonna be 8 degrees today. It's currently like -3. I'm coming out to start the truck. I'm excited, guys. I mean, it's like a friggin', it's a winter wonderland. It's a winter wonderland. Ooh, you hear that cold start? I love that. We're gonna go pack everything up. We're gonna grab some McDonald's breakfast, I think. And we are gonna get to ice fishing, baby. I'm pumped. I also got some new ice setups, so let's go, baby. So Corey's fighting with his girlfriend right now. You know, I love this kid to death. He's my fishing buddy. But sometimes you just gotta go fishing, man. Listen to this.
I don't know why you're upset with me. There's no reason to be upset. I don't know why you've been upset with me all day. 1 second.
Well, boys, fishing, women, doesn't tend to work out all the time. 3 angry girlfriend conversations later. And a bunch of we made it. We got my boy Jake over here. What's good, dog? What's good? All right. If you hear that thing ring, that means there's a fish on it. Oh. No, that's power bait. I don't think it got it though. Oh, yeah. We're on it. He got off. They're biting though, boys. Dude, I got one on the way down. No way. I'm on. Yeah, you want to put your drag on real high. There we go. On the way down. Look at that. Dude, this is awesome. Hey, we're doubled up. No way. No, it's a dark rainbow.
Are you sure? Yeah, it's rainbow.
Look at that. Oh, there goes your maggots. So we've been here for like 10 minutes. As you can see, these guys are squirming. I don't want to hold them too long out of the ice because they'll freeze. But Corey, we just doubled up. Corey's got one. I got one. And shout out Jake. Give me knuckle bump. And we're going to keep slaying them. So the thing. So check this out. I got this little beeper. So you put this line on it right here. I got this like from Amazon or something. And it's dope. Like instead of using the tip up or something, I just you know, let this go down, and when you get bit, it goes off. You got another one? Woohoo! Corey's got another one over there. Say, let's count. That's 4 already. What do you think of this little finesse chick?
Ooh, dude, that's.
Doesn't that look juicy? All right, I'm gonna try this.
Are you down like shallow or?
Yo, I'm on over here. No way. Is he gonna take it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't even. Oh, I'm on over here, boys. Ooh. Dude, I might just hang out with the power bait. I don't know. Boom. There we go. And the power bait. Oh. Oh, we almost just doubled up. I'm on. There you go. Oh, look at that. That's a decent one. Come on. I totally. Oh, all right. All right. And that was the most failed release ever. See, the thing is with stock trout, guys, they're pretty easy to catch. So what I'm doing, I could be jigging with worms and stuff, but I'm just gonna take power bait because this is probably the easiest thing to do. It's nice, it's bright, it's smelly. They're primarily fed like starch, like corn and stuff at the farm, and then they get stocked in lakes like this. So stuff like this is literally like your best option for just hooking into a bunch of fish. So I'm gonna drop that down there. Can almost guarantee he's gonna get. I'm gonna try and get my glove on, and on the way down, it's gonna get whaled. The reel froze because I set it down in the snow, and I think I'm hooked up. I'm hooked up right now too as well, and I can't reel. Yeah, I am hooked up. I'll do this. Woo, baby! Look at that. He probably swallowed that jig though because I. Come on, get a triple. Get a triple, Corey. Come on. All right, I'm over here trying to get situated. I've been changing batteries in the GoPro. I think we're at what, 15 total at this point? Corey's got 10 himself. I've got about 4 in the time that I haven't even really been able to fish that much. Jake's got 3. I'm just like, it's the, oh, look at right there. Dun dun dun. Boom. I'm running into technical difficulties. It's literally so cold outside that the GoPro batteries just keep on dying. Little cheese ball. Oh my gosh, they're not eating it. They keep biting it. All right, we're gonna try and downsize a little bit. Don't. There it is, come on. Simmer down. Oh, from here. Yeah, I thought you were talking. Boom, double up. Look it, we're just killing them. Ah! Dude, the hook just came out, went through my palm. No way. I just put that hook in my palm and ripped it out. Look at this is crazy. The jig just broke in half. You guys see that? Literally this jig just broke in half. Oh, got off. Might as well just put this stuff in my darn pocket. They're eating it like candy. It's freaking candy, this power bait, y'all. Man, the only bad downside to power bait, like it works amazing, but there we go, come on. You gotta let them eat it for a quick second. Problem is, they like to swallow it. Oh, gotta put this rod up here. No. Let's see what you got, Corey. I'm putting you on the spot. Can he do it? Can he do it? Let a little bit more line out. Oh, nope. He can't. He can't handle it. Come on, you're on the spot right now. Oh, there he is. Look at that. Look at him go. Boom.
Number 15.
Number 15, huh? We probably hit. I have 7 over there, I think, or 8. I got break 10. I'll hit 10 and then I'll come put you on the spot. Oh wow, yeah, that's a little. It's like he lost part of his back. It's a little grody.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on there. Oh, that was on. All right, ready? Right here. I'm calling it. Oh, I'm already on. Oh, look at that. That's a chub. Jake on the chartreuse.
I'm so done. It broke off.
Oh, you did? What pound line you using?
4.
We're using 4 too. See, we got that ice line. All right, ready? Let's go in at the same time. I'm dropping it. All right, power bait versus a wax worm. Who's gonna do it better? Come on. Come on. Oh, he got off. Can you see the chartreuse? Yeah, it's still on there. Oh, I'm on. Oh, he got. Oh my God, this one feels good, dude.
Oh, what the?
Or he's
Oh,
fighting.
it's a doggy.
No, really, not really. Dude, Jake's the MVP. My hands are frozen. I'm gonna give this kid frostbite. Thanks, dog. Bumps.
Oh, look
Nucks. Boom.
Stuck in the ice.
He's just like, he's all confused.
Dude, there's a hole right next to me. Like, what?
Look at, he can't go on. He keeps hitting the edge. All right, Corey, we're having a contest. We're starting over. We're getting the fish clickers back to 0. Alrighty, guys, so we'll have a little update on the day for you guys. Well, Corey's straight laying them out. We're all laying them out. I have like, I don't know, I'm probably around 10 or 11. We're gonna have a little contest. So I got the power bait. You got wax worms on, or what do you got?
I'm out of wax.
Okay, he's got maggots. We drilled 2 holes right next to each other.
If I can get my 20 first, or you
Hold on, we gotta drop at the same time.
Ready?
Hold on, we're gonna count. Wait, 3, 2, wait, 1, go, drop. All right, let's see. We'll see who's gonna get her done. See, yours got down there so much quicker. I got some fall time, but what's the top bait here? Oh, yep. I'm already on. Ah!
Oh, that, you got me.
Oh, he came off. Hey, he got out though. Look at that. Boom.
I'm using dead maggots.
Dude, that is the smallest one yet. All right, here, ready? Let's go ahead. I'm gonna kind of, sorry fish, but I'm gonna push. You know what I do too? I got like 2 inches away from my my split shot, so as soon as it hits the bottom, it floats like just like 2 inches off the bottom, and they just juice it right out. Gosh. Come on, Corey. I could pass you up in your own lane. Oh, there he is. All right.
20.
Can I double up?
20.
Can I double it up? Dude, those kids are probably so good.
Hey, let's go ice fish. Let's go ice fish the aerator.
Dude, but that's asking for trouble. Oh, I'm on.
That's a big one.
That's a real good one. Oh, dude, they just keep popping off. You know what? I'm okay with that.
Easy release.
This keeps my hand less cold. This is awesome. Hey, by the way, guys, check out Jake's Instagram. He takes me fishing here all the time. He's a subscriber. Shout out to Jake for hooking me up on the spot. I wouldn't be able to fish ponds like this if it weren't for kids like that. And he literally just hit me up on Instagram, and he just happened to live like really close to me. I'm not gonna tell you guys where I live, but you might live close to me. So, all right, we're gonna have a relay race right now. Look, Corey, let's see from 0. We're gonna go first 1 to 3. All right, let's see who can win this. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? All right, 3, 2, 1, go. First 1 to 3. I'm already on. Oh, I came off. Backlash right now. Wait, what? Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. Yeah. Oh man.
1.
I'm on. No, I don't want to retie. Dude, this is so tangled.
Don't.
Oh my.
Alright, you're gonna win.
2-0.
We'll go hand line. I don't need this. I'm better than that. Hand line. Got him.
No way.
I'm coming back with the hand line.
Dude, you're in my hole again.
Get at me. I'm so tangled up. Alright.
That's 3.
I want a rematch. This is I got switch
right there,
rods.
bud. Victory fish. Thank you very much. Go ahead and work.
We've caught plenty of trout at this point. Like, we've caught well over 50, I'd probably say, as a group.
I'm at 25 alone.
Yeah, and Corey's at 25 alone. I'm probably close, catching not too far behind that. But We're gonna try like a big spoon or something like that, just for, you know, shits and gigs. So I don't know, which one are you trying? Should I try this ridiculous gold one here? I'm gonna go with
the
this.
big orange, silver and orange.
See if stock trout will eat a big old spoon. Do you even have an auger?
My friend got one for Christmas that we're using.
Oh, I'm on the big spoon.
That's probably a bass.
Catfish.
One of my drags are really loose. No, dude, feels pretty big.
That's you got like a 6-pound bass.
Dude, what do I got?
Oh, that's a trout. That's a donkey.
Oh, that big spoon. Oh, I'll take it. Honestly, that was like I did that as a complete experiment. This is a pretty big spoon.
Can you give me that spoon? That one? Yeah, I don't know if I like this one.
Is there a lot in here? I'm on. Look at this one. That's a donkey. The spoon. That's the biggest one yet, guys. That one's like pretty big. Dude, that's huge. That's not a bad rainbow right there, guys. That's probably close to 16 inches, I'd say, for stock trout. That's pretty gnarly. So I think we're gonna end it there, guys. We're gonna end on a good note. All my batteries are dying. We're freezing our butts off, but shout out Jake for taking us out here to this pond. This is awesome. That's funny. That's a donkey. We were throwing spoons just for fun because we got bored of normal bait, and that is the outcome right there. So we're gonna get the release on this guy. I know our fish handling skills weren't too hot today because it's like 3 degrees, but let him go. Boom. Cheers. Yeah. So there we go, guys. There's ways you guys can catch just like a ton of rainbow trout. If you guys are trying to get out and go fish stock trout, look around. People do trout stockings all the time. At least where I live, they're everywhere. They're primarily fed like corn and starches and stuff like that when they're raised at a farm. So the easiest way to go out is to just get some power bait, drop it down there. You really don't have to do anything and they'll probably eat it. If you guys want to get a little more complex like it, you can throw things like this. I just caught that big one on this spoon right here. You guys can throw jigs, you can throw maggots, you can throw night crawlers, pretty much anything that you would fish in a pond with you can use. We were just slaying trout today. There also is bass and stuff in here, but you know, they don't seem to want to bite. But guys, the trout is just unreal. So hey, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Do me a favor, hit that link down below. Give Jake a follow on Instagram. He's always hooking me up, taking me fishing. And also, if you guys want to see a catch and cook, we're thinking about doing a trout catch and cook. If that's something you guys would be interested in watching, leave a comment down below, and we may do that this week. So other than that, I don't know, you guys know the deal. I take something off, throw it to the camera, so we'll see you next time.